Hello, today I will show you how to easily remove the old Roland RH-200 headphone AirPod cushions and replace them with the new AirPods, so that your headphones are comfortable and sound good again. You will even have a choice between velour type or leather type pads. See the difference between these two types in my AirPods test video. This tutorial will fit almost any headphones, as the technique to remove and replace the AirPods is identical. In the last video I showed you how to make a detachable cable and how to attach the 3.5mm jack on old cable. Now let's change these dirty and old AirPods. To remove the AirPod cushions, grab the pad with your index finger from the inside and slowly pull the pad off. The pads are held inside the groove of the headphone body. Clean any debris, then order new replacement AirPods. You just have to decide if you want velour or leather type. Links to them are in the video description. Next, insert the edge of the AirPod into the groove of the headphone housing. To avoid frustration, be sure to hold the edge of the AirPod cushion with your fingers. Otherwise, the edge will slide out of the groove and you might struggle to put the AirPod on. Hold the cushion edge of the AirPod with one hand and pull the uncushioned part in with the other hand. And then twist the AirPod to get it in the right place. Nice look, new, clean and soft AirPod. If you can get the AirPod on, try stretching the edge of the AirPod. This often helps. In the same way as before, you can also put on leather AirPod cushions. You just have to figure out what kind of new AirPods you want to put on your headphones. And that's all. I hope you learned something new today and can restore your headphones too. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video.